Yes, here we are, $80 Rubik's Cube unboxing. Obviously, this one's been damaged during shipping, but oh well, it happens. Anyways, let's go ahead and start with this one. Since it's all damaged, it's all basically ready to open and all that. Alright, well, just gonna... It opens, I guess. Yeah, box is completely destroyed. Anyways, here is the Rubik's Cube. It's so big and oily. I mean, looby or something. But it's actually kind of amazing to have something like this. Turning, kind of difficult because obviously looby after it's been recently shipped, and it will wear off over time. So yeah, here it is. If this video actually gets 50 likes or something, I'm gonna have to scramble it and solve it in another video. Wish me luck. And second of all, we have the 7x7x7, basically a bigger version of this. This one's a 5, and this one is a 7. So let's go ahead and open it. Wow, it's way much bigger than this one. It's amazing. Look at the size difference. This one's bigger, this one's smaller. Wow, size difference, a lot. If this video actually gets 100 likes, probably do the same. Scramble it and solve it. If I could. This probably will take forever for me. So yeah, final up, it is GAN 356M. Pretty good cube, I hear. Or is it? We'll find out. Also, make sure you guys subscribe and like the video to make me scramble these and make me suffer for hours solving these. Whatever, that's not the point. Anyways, yeah, let's unbox it. Wow. Okay. We got the tools and all that. Is it maybe the bag? Yeah, we do actually have a GameCube bag. Pretty nice, and it's actually kind of soft. Probably put this in there. Yeah, bag, and we got instructions for the tool. I'm guessing that's in there. We don't need that. Also, we have the pamphlet about how to solve the Rubik's Cube and all that. Basic algorithm. Like it says right there. Yeah. And a card about Cube Station. There's that. And we also have the tool. Is that for like the edge? I mean corners or something like that? We'll find out. We'll just put that in there for now. Here it is. The GAN 356M. It has really good turning, corner cutting. over 45 degrees. Wow, this actually performs really good. Maybe the opposite. What? Maybe not. Like right here, it's the max. But I'm pretty sure it won't occur to me that much. This actually might be my new main 3x3. We'll see about that. It's actually really nice. Alright, what is inside the center? Maybe that's what the tool was for. What is this? Yo, we got some math or numbers inside of there. So I'm guessing what you do is turn these. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. You just turn these. Not bad. I'm gonna have to put that back to normal, which is number 2. Yeah, it's on number 2. Alright, we're good. We are good. Yeah, let's see how fast I can solve this. Scramble it. It's actually kind of untrollable, but I'm pretty sure I'll get used to it later on. Later on, I will get way much better. 24.22. Not bad. It's crazy how I own this now. Yeah, like I said, I will solve this if we get 50 likes, and I will solve this if we get 100 likes. So yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing experience, and yeah, have a great time.